Viral Loop is a viral marketing software. You can use the software to create your referral campaigns when you are launching something or when you are about to come up with something new. I will be creating a campaign using Viral Loops, and what I'm going to do in this video is that whenever someone is going to submit his lead, I'm going to pass on that lead to Automizy, which is an email marketing software. I will be doing this integration with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration application which can bind multiple applications together and help you to transfer your data from one place to another. Even though this integration is happening between Viral Loops and Automizy, but you can still use the same Pabbly Connect software to integrate Viral Loops with just about any CRM email marketing software. So the first thing that I'm going to do when I'm inside the Viral Loop software is to click on Create Campaign. Okay. I'm just choosing the milestone referral campaign and I'm just clicking on select this template. After this, I'm going to select this template again and I will be naming this referral campaign by something. So I will just say Pabbly Connect launch. Okay. I will be taking people to pabbly.com, which is the landing page of my website once someone fills up the viral campaign. Okay. And I just take that I will use a Viral Loops page. This will basically create a landing page through Viral Loop itself. Okay. After this, I will just click on next and you can see there is a different setting for milestone. Because I'm not interested in setting up milestone right now, I'm just going to keep it as default, whatever it is giving me. And I'm just clicking on next button. Now it is giving me multiple widgets and I can basically see all the widgets that I'm going to get. I'm not going to customize them. I'm going to use the default widgets. So I'm just going to click on next. Then it is asking us whether you want the leads to double opt-in. And since I do not want to change anything, I'm just going to click on next. Finally, it is saying that you will get a welcome email and the successful referral email. Again, I'm not going to do anything at my end and I'm just going to click on next. Now we are into the screen where we can basically integrate Viral Loops with just about any other software. And you can see the integration screen has MailChimp, HubSpot, Klaviyo, Zapier, Slack, Mailjet, and few other softwares. But as you can see, it does not cover all the email marketing software or all the CRM softwares out there. So what we will be doing is we will be connecting Viral Loops with Automizy with the help of Webhook. Okay. I'm just going to click on this tick button inside Webhook. And once you are inside that, I'm just going to say that when someone joins your campaign, you can send their submitted data to a webhook. Okay. And this webhook will actually be provided to us by Pabbly Connect, which is the integration application that we are going to use. Okay. So in this specific case, I'm just interested in getting the data when someone joins the campaign. I'm not interested in any other data. So I'm just disabling this, but I'm definitely interested in getting the data which is submitted to the webhook. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are just moving back to Pabbly Connect, which is an integration application right here. The first thing that you have to do inside the integration application is to click on create new workflow. Okay. And I'm going to say Viral Loops to Automizy. Okay. And I'm just going to save it. As you can see, my workflow is created and the first step that we have to do is we have to set up a trigger. Now trigger is a step in which we basically get data from some other application. In this case, our trigger is the Viral Loops because we are going to get data from Viral Loops, and then our action step is Automizy because we want to send data to Automizy. So in the choose app dialog box, I'm just going to write Viral Loops. Okay. And you can see there are multiple methods that we can actually choose from. But the method that we are really interested in is new participant. So I'm just going to copy this webhook URL right here. And I'm just going to paste this webhook URL here. Okay. I'm just going to press the send a test request button, but I'm not going to capture this response right now because I want to really capture the real response and I really want to check out how it really works in the real time. So I'm just going to click on send a test request and you can see that it has accepted our endpoint, which means our integration is working fine and we do not have to do anything else here. So I'm just going to click on save button and you can see our integration is activated and you can see the activation button right here. So I'm just going to click on next and I will use the Viral Loops pages because I do not want to really set up anything from my end. I'm just going to use the Viral Loop pages. And you can see it basically gave us a link on which our entire campaign is hosted. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this campaign page right here. Okay, and you can see my campaign is currently loading, but you can see the campaign is already loaded. Okay, I'm just going to finish this campaign, and you can see there are 0 participant and the Pabbly Connect launch is right here, and the entire system is basically created. Now the first thing that we have to do before even we submit this form on Viral Loops is to really click on Capture Webhook Response button. Now by clicking on this button, Pabbly Connect will actually start to listen for any event that comes across Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go back to the Viral Loops page, and I'm just going to fill out this form. Okay. And you can see I just put in my first name, last name, and the email address. And currently you see the counter is 0. So I'm just going to fill this detail, and I'm just going to click the sign up now button right here. Okay. I move back to the Viral Loops button. I reload this page, and you can see the total participants is 1 right here. Okay. Now I'm heading back to Pabbly Connect, and you can see basically it automatically captured the entire data of the submitter right here. It has the first name, the last name, the email address, referral code, date, and type, which is a participation type. Okay, this means we already have the data from Viral Loops inside Pabbly Connect. Now what we have to do is we just have to click this plus button right here. Okay, then this is the action step, and the action step that we want to use is we actually want to send this data across Automizy. Okay, so I'm just going to type AUTO, and you can see the Automizy is right here. There are multiple action methods that you can choose, but the real action method that we are really interested in is to create a contact on a list. Okay, so I'm just going to click on create a contact on a list, and then I am just going to click on connect button. As soon as I do that, it is asking us for a token, and you can see login to Automizy account, go to left sidebar. In the settings, there is an API token. Okay, so I'm on the left sidebar on the settings, and the API token is right here. So I'm just going to click on API token, and I'm just going to click on copy and close. Okay, I'm going to paste the bearer token right here, and I'm just going to click on save. And you can see it automatically populated all the email list in my account. So currently I have just one email list, which is by the name of Pabbly. So I'm just seeing the very same email list right here. Now I can basically select the email address that I really want to transfer to Automizy. So I will just click this button, which is the mapping button right here. And I will just select my email address. I will select that I really want to sign up this person as an active person. You can specify the tags that you want to apply to this specific person. Tags are created within Automizy by going to settings and tag manager. Okay, so you can see my tag is right here, referrals and customers. Okay, in this case, I'm just going to select the tag as referrals. Okay, then the first name, and the first name is right here, and the last name. So I'm just going to map my last name right here. Apart from that, I do not want to use any other field. So I'm just going to click on save. And once it is saved, I'm just going to click on send test request just to make sure that everything works fine and is in order. And you can now go back to Automizy, click on contacts again, and reload the page. Okay. And you can see the one contact is already right here. So we actually added Neeraj Agarwal with the email address of neeragai@gmail.com with the tag of referral. Okay, so this means our integration is working fine, and we have actually completed the entire integration now. So now we do not even have to do anything. We just click on save button right here. And if we really want, we can basically close out Pabbly Connect right here, right now. This means this workflow is now saved. It will work automatically for any future details. So I'm just going to fill out this form again just to show you that everything is working fine. But looks like I already submitted this form, so it is not allowing me to submit it again. So I'm just going to open the incognito window, and I'm just going to paste this link again. I hope it gives me the form again. Yes, it gives me that. So I'm just going to write the first name, last name, and the email address. And as soon as I do that, I'm just going to click on sign up now button. Okay, I'm again moving back to Automizy just to see if we already have the contact. So I'm just going to go to contacts, and I'm just reloading the page. And you can see there are 2 contacts now. I'm just going to click on Pabbly, and you can see the name of the person is right here, the email address is right here, and the tag of that referral is right here. So this means the integration between Viral Loops and Automizy is working completely fine with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at admin@pabbly.com. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm always available on admin@pabbly.com. Thank you.